This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pausing and noticing. Name the thought as unrealistic, not true or false, just a mental event. Use a quick 5-4-3-2-1 grounding to reconnect your senses. This reduces emotional charge. Once grounded, set a 5-10 minute timer and observe the thought without reacting, like watching a cloud pass. This first step shifts control. You learn the difference between having a thought and being controlled by it, which is essential to change what follows. You now actively examine the thought. Ask what evidence supports it and what directly contradicts it. Write one clear supporting fact and one disconfirming fact. Once done, test the thought's consequences, how believing it helps or harms you, to spot distortions. Then create 2 realistic alternative thoughts that fit the facts but reduce anxiety. Use short, specific phrasing for these alternatives so you can repeat them quickly when the original thought resurfaces. You finish by practicing this cycle daily. Notice, test evidence, and reframe with realistic alternatives for 5-10 minutes. Make it habitual by linking practice to a cue, a phone alarm, a cup of coffee, or a door you pass, so you do it automatically. If you get stuck, slow down, repeat the grounding step, and focus on one small, provable fact. If difficulty persists, ask a supportive friend to help you list evidence. Social feedback often snaps you out of rigid thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.